You are now watching the latest salon gossip and entertainment channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe.
We're about to introduce to you guys one of our tunes from Sierra Leone. This time is called Bubu. Bubu music is from the Temene tribe in Sierra Leone, the second largest ethnic group in Sierra Leone. And it's mostly in minor keys, D minor, A minor, or E minor.
Welcome back to Latest Salon Gossip and Entertainment channel. Please subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook at Latest Salon Gossip and Entertainment, and also on Instagram at Latest Salon Gossip and Entertainment. Shout out to all our subscribers. Keep on subscribing to this channel as we're here to bring to you latest news, gossip and happenings in here and Sierra Leone. I'm going to bring to you a video where a renowned sound producer and also engineer in Sierra Leone goes by the name of Solos Beat is presently in America showing Sierra Leone sound to the world. You know, it's something that we all been pleading to our producers to at least produce music, you know, that will portray our culture, that will portray our sound, which is the bubu, you know, the killing, the shebure. Those are typical sound that our artists should be singing on. But all of a sudden we are copying the Nigerians, the South Africans, wherein we have our own unique sound in Sierra Leone. Don't forget to give your take, your comments. What do you think on the comment section below? Don't forget, this is the Salon Gossip and Entertainment channel. We're here to bring to you latest news, gossip and happenings in our Sierra Leone.
We're about to introduce to you guys one of our tunes from Sierra Leone. This time is called Bubu. Bubu music is from the Temene tribe in Sierra Leone, the second largest ethnic group in Sierra Leone. And it's mostly in minor keys, D minor, A minor, or E minor. Enough talking. And the tempo, sometimes 160 BPM, 165 BPM, and yeah, basically this is the tempo. And the rhythm section is the most important part about Bubu music. Once the rhythm section is there, you're free to do whatever you want to do, because the capital city of Sierra Leone is Freetown, so everything is free. Yeah. So this line goes like this. Just this, and cello. is Bubu music. Like I previously said, keep playing. Like I previously said, we're from Sierra Leone and the capital city is Freetown. You're free to do whatever you want to do. Who wants to solo first? Come on.
now watching the latest salon gossip and entertainment channel. Please subscribe.